Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, House on Pine. So in today's video we're going to be doing some major cleaning and decorating in my kitchen. I have several things to clean off the counters. I have to clean up the floors and mop those. I'm going to be cleaning up the stove and just getting this kitchen ready to start decorating for fall. I'm also going to be putting up my fall decorations in this video, so I hope you guys enjoy. First, I'm going to start off by cleaning off all of my counters. I have some cleaning products from Grove order that I got the other day, so I need to put away those. And I'm just going to put away everything that is sitting out on my counters. I'm going to be organizing my refrigerator in this area later, so all this you see on top of my refrigerator will be changed and moved later when I'm doing my kitchen makeover. Now I'm just going to wash my drainer. I love to use this soft scrub with bleach. It does great on this white sink, and anything you have white, it really cleans it well. Now I'm going to be doing a good cleaning on my sink. I'm going to be using the soft scrub with bleach as well as some Clorox spray. Since I do have a white sink, I have to keep either Clorox or soft scrub at all times available because every time I do dishes, this sink has to be cleaned. So I am thinking eventually of getting a stainless steel or darker colored sink, but I really do like the white. I'm just going to spray this Clorox spray into the sink and let it sit while I clean the rest of the kitchen. Now I'm going to clean off all of my counters. I'm just using a microfiber cloth, and I'm also going to be using that Mrs. Meyer's spray in the apple scent that I showed you in a fall haul video earlier. This smells so good. I'm going to go ahead and stick one of my candle warmers in while I'm cleaning my kitchen also, so I can just get that fall apple scent. Now I'm going to pop in that candle warmer. I'm using the Better Homes and Garden from Walmart. I think this was the caramel drizzle flavor, but I love fall scents any time of year. And I'm also going to replace my hand soap and dish soap, and I'm going to put those fall scents out as well. This butcher block my husband actually made for me, but the top of it is kind of in rough shape. Hopefully I will be replacing this in the next couple of weeks as I'm working on my kitchen makeover. For some reason I did not film the mopping part of this video, but I did finish mopping and now I have my kitchen all clean. It's ready for fall decorations. I'm going to remove some of the things off the top of the counters and we'll go ahead and start decorating. I've already decorated this fall tier tray, so I'm going to go ahead and insert the clip of how I decorated that, and then we will decorate the rest of the kitchen. I went ahead and laid out everything I thought I might use for the tiered tray on my table. This tiered tray actually came from Amazon, and then I just started playing around with decorating. This pumpkin latte cup I got from Home Goods, I believe. This pack of scented nuts and dried florals and pine cones came from Hobby Lobby. I made a lot of these items myself, such as the little rolling pins. The Fall Y'all sign came from Dollar General, as well as did this candle and little pumpkin with the C. And then these felt pieces of pumpkin pie were a DIY. I'll link the video so you can watch that on my other channel. But I thought this turned out so cute. I was so happy with this tiered tray. Now I'm taking down some of my old decor and clearing off the counters for the new decorations. I'm going to start in this corner adding some decorations, and I'm going to start with these cutting boards that I already had. This little felt pumpkin pie I actually found at Home Goods. And it's supposed to be a banner, but I thought it would look so cute just sitting out on this pie plate. Now I'm just going to rearrange some items at my coffee stand. I added this fall mug to my Keurig just to give it that extra fall touch. Also added some mugs to the mug stand that had some fall themes. And I'm moving that tier tray over to that center butcher block island. I found some fabric at Hobby Lobby that I really liked to do this towel, and actually made this. It wasn't very hard. I just followed a tutorial that I found on YouTube. So I just added that to the stove. And then I also found some really neat things at Dollar General this year, including these little pumpkin salt and pepper shakers. I thought these were so cute, so I added those in place of my regular ones. So my kitchen is complete. I've added all the fall decor that I'm going to be putting up in this area this year. In this video, you will actually see a sneak peek at my cabinets that are coming up in my makeover video that I've already painted, but I'm not completely done with this kitchen yet, so you will get an updated version of a complete makeover later. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short and sweet, but hopefully my videos will get longer and better as I keep doing this kind of content. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you stuck around to the end. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my new channel. I hope this video gave you some great ideas to do for fall decoration. Even though I waited till September to do this, I hope this still gave you some ideas, and you can always leave me a comment in the comments. So thank you again for watching, and I will hope to see you back again in my next video very soon.